In today's class, we're going to start with the fourth question. Can you all see the fourth question on the screen, beta?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, this diagram shows you 4 identical triangles. Now when I say identical, what does it mean? Same, equal.
Same.
Okay. Now look at the angles at point A. Can you look at the angles at point A? Yes, you have
Yes.
a red angle, a blue angle, and a green angle all together. Can you see that in a semicircle form of thing?
Yes.
Yes.
180 degree.
Yeah. Explain why this shows that the angles of a triangle add up to 180. What explanation will you give? Explain why this shows that the angles of a triangle add up to 180.
Because they are equilateral.
Because they form a straight angle. The angles, if they are removed from the triangles, they form a straight angle. So if they form a straight angles, angles in a straight line are adding up to
Equilateral.
180.
180.
They
Is it
are also
very clear?
equilateral, right?
No, equilateral is equal
No.
sides, equal angle. Here it may not be like that.
Triangle.
Here it is not necessary, it may be like that. Okay. If we
It's
cut,
isosceles.
actually, I am very sure that this is what I did with you. Do you remember we spoke about a triangle? Okay, any kind of a triangle. And did I ask you to cut all the angles and put it together, join and put it together? Did I ask you to do that?
You have. But it was not like a perfect equilateral angle. It was like a
No, it may
different
be any
height
angle. It can
Yes,
be
I was
any
saying.
triangle. If you cut these edges, no, and you try to put it in a straight line, they are going to make up to 180.
180.
Yeah, this is how they are going to look when you join them. It may
A
be something
protractor.
like that. 3 angles, 1, 2, and 3. Do you get me? And this is what they are trying to show you there. They are identical. That means they are saying it is same. And explain why this shows that the angles of a triangle add up to 80 is when you remove all the angles of the triangle and put it in a straight line. They are angles forming in a straight line. Do you get it, bacha?
Yes.
Can we go to the next question? Yes. Now we are doing question number 5. Question number 5 says ABC is an isosceles triangle. Do you know what is an isosceles triangle? It's there on the screen. What is an isosceles triangle?
I have heard it.
See, different types of triangles if I talk about. One Mohammed was just talking about, and that is the equilateral triangle. And in an equilateral triangle, what happens is all the 3 sides are equal. And because all the 3 sides are equal, we can say all the 3 angles are also equal. This will be equal to this and this. And that is the reason why all the angles will also be equal. What is this kind of a triangle called when all the 3 sides are
Equilateral.
equilateral? Okay. Now another type of a triangle is a triangle where only 2 sides are equal. The third side may not be equal to the 2. And that kind of a triangle is called as a isosceles triangle. You can see 2 sides are bigger than the third side. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
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 This kind of a triangle is called as an isosceles triangle because only 2 sides are equal and the third one is not equal. Because 2 sides are equal, we will have only 2 angles that are equal, and the 2 angles that are equal are the base angles. Do you understand the word base angles? That means they are angles which are on the third side. Okay, or they are angles that are on the foot of that side which is equal. This kind of a triangle is known as an isosceles triangle. So what is the property of an isosceles triangle? 2 sides equal, 2 angles equal. Okay. ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB is equal to BC. So let us go and mark those sides which are equal. They say AB is equal to BC. Do you get me? AB is equal to BC. Yes. Now, if these two sides are equal, tell me which two angles are going to be equal. Can I say these are the two base angles then?
Yes, ma'am.
AC or CA.
BAC is 40. They have given us BAC as 40. Okay. Now tell me, what are the other two angles going to be?
180 minus 40 is equals to 140.
No, 140. But then how will you say which is the B1 and which is the C1? If A is 40, can I say angle C is also 40?
Yes, linear pair.
No, not linear pair, because they are isosceles triangle base angles. No.
They are same.
Yeah,
Their
they are
angle
going
is
to be
same.
same. That is what I'm trying to teach you.
So,
That if two sides
so
of
B
a
is
triangle,
140.
if two sides of a triangle are equal, then their base angles are also equal. So if they have given us AB to be equal to BC, that means angle BAC is equal to angle BCA. Now, when I say BAC, I'm talking about which angle? A angle. When I say BCA, C comes in the middle. So I'm talking about which angle? C angle.
C angle.
So I can say that A and C are both 40, 40. Can you tell me now what is this angle here?
100.
Correct. Have you got it how I did?
Yes, ma'am.
So, you know, in this type of a sum, the first thing you will write whatever is given to you. You will say that AB is equal to BC. Okay. Why? Because this is given. And because of this, what happens is I can say that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Do you get me? This is the second point that we will write. Now, because it is an isosceles triangle, what is the other thing that is going to happen? That is, angle BAC is going to be equal to angle BCA. Do you understand what I'm writing? Yes. What reason will you write here? Base angles of isosceles triangle are
same.
equal. Is it very clear? Now we are going to write the measure of BAC. What is the measure of BAC given? 40.
Yes.
So now this measure goes to what? BCA. Yes. So we have found out BCA. To find out ABC or to find out CBA. Okay. What am I going to write?
Ma'am,
I'm going.
what do we have to write in 4?
What we have to write in? Question 4.
4. Question number 4.
Okay,
Yes.
I'll write that statement also and give you. First, concentrate on
Okay.
5 now. Midway 5, you cannot ask me of 4, no?
Okay.
Okay. So now we will write BCA plus BCA plus BAC. Okay. Plus which angle? CBA. Am I right?
Yes.
Is
Plus
equal to
CB.
how much, Advait?
180.
Or Advait?
180, ma'am.
Advait, you're not
Ma'am,
paying
he's answering
attention.
so
I
slow.
cannot see that on your face. Are you understanding
Huh?
what I'm doing?
Yeah, ma'am.
No, because you know what I feel? Either I am feeling by looking at your face that you're confused, or I'm feeling you're not understanding, or I'm feeling you're not interested.
Ma'am, I am understanding it. Sometimes
Okay.
when I don't have a lot of sleep, that's how I look.
Okay. But then you are clear with the concept? Okay.
Yep.
So now we are going to write down the measure of the angles that we know. We know BCA is 40. We know BAC is also 40. Okay, and we don't know CBA. So we write CBA as it is equal to 180. And now
It's
I know
100.
CBA is
100.
equal to, yes, 180 minus 80, because 40 plus 40, when we bring it on this side, 80 will get minus, and we will say CBA is equal to 100. Have you understood how I found out the other angle?
Yes. This
How
is
I'm
how
going-
we used to do it. How?
Yeah.
Same way.
Same way,
That's
same way. And here, if you want, you can give the reason, and the reason is sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Do you get it, beta?
And I wrote the answers.
Everybody is understanding what I'm doing?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Dad, if you go ahead first and we say, I could think of the stats.
Done, ma'am.
Can I erase it? Mohammed,
No,
have
ma'am,
you
one-
written?
Yes.
1 second, ma'am.
I'm done.
Okay.
Done.
Now Mohammed had a doubt with the fourth question, what to write in the fourth question.
Yes.
Look at the angles at point A. Explain why this shows that the angles of a triangle add up to 180. You will say the red part, the blue part, and the green part form a semicircle on a straight line, which means they form 180. Got it, beta?
So, ma'am, I have to write this.
Yes.
The red part, the blue part, and the green part form a semicircle. That's why it is 180.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Can we go to the sixth question?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, who will tell me what is angle A? Now, this is very easy. And we have already done in the previous classes. Chalo, try and tell me.
Ma'am,
Who can
we'll do
tell me? Raise your
45
hand.
plus 60 plus A equals
Yes,
180. And then, can I?
Advait, tell me.
85. It's 85.
How will you do it? And how did you get it? You will also have
Oh,
to
no, not
explain.
85, 75, ma'am. 75. 75.
Okay, you want me to
75.
write 75 here? I will write 75, but you will have to tell me how you got it.
60 plus 45 is equal to 105, and then 180 minus 105 is equal to 75.
So that I will get here, no? 75 I will get on this side, right? This is what you're trying to tell me.
Yeah.
And what about the A angle?
Hmm.
It will be 60.
Okay, how?
Ma'am, vertically opposite angle.
You're
No, it
right.
will be also be 75.
Yes, it will also be 75. And the reason
Yes.
is
Vertically
vertically
opposite angle.
opposite angles. That
VOA.
means if we get one angle that is inside the triangle, then if that forms a vertically opposite angle, then we will say it is a VOA. Do you get it right, bacha log?
Oh,
Yes. We will say 45 plus 60. Okay, how much is 45 plus 60? 105. You will say 180 minus 105 is going to be 75. That means the third angle in the triangle is 75. But this third angle in the triangle forms a vertically opposite angles with A, and that is why A is also equal to 75. Do you get it, bacha log?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are you going to write and how are you going to write this? You are going to write, see, I write it for one more time. 45 plus 60, okay, plus the unknown one. Okay, so unknown one I put at question mark is equal to 180. And the reason is going to be sum of all the angles of a triangle are 180. Yes or no? Do you get it?
Yes.
Do you hear me, bacha log?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then the third angle, that is the question mark angle, how much does it become? 180 minus 105, which is going to be how much? Can you tell me? 75. Okay. And then we will say that the question
And
mark,
instead of the question mark, there will be A, right?
no, A is on the other side. Question mark is equal to A. Why is question mark equal to A? Because it is VOA, vertically opposite angles. And therefore you will write A is equal to 75. Do you get me? You can write this question mark as alphabets. You can write X, Y, Z. Then you can say Z is equal to 75. Then you can say Z is equal to A and A is equal to 75. Do you all get me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we do the seventh sum now?
yes.
Now look at the seventh sum. Explain why AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Okay. Now to explain this, first I will have to find out this angle. Okay. Now this question mark angle, let me see how much it is. Can you help me find the question mark?
72.
36 plus 72 plus B
36
equals
plus
180.
72 plus the question mark is going to be 180 because the angles of a triangle are 180. What is 36 plus 72?
I have done it.
108.
108.
108 plus question mark is equal to 180. Am I right? So we can say
Yes,
question
ma'am.
mark is equal to 180
180
minus 108. Okay, that means question mark is equal to 72. Am I right? Yes
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no? Now you can see that the angle B and angle C is equal to each other. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
We can say that the question mark is equal to B, and we also know that B is equal to C. Now B is equal to C, that means both are 72, 72. If both are 72, 72, can I say they are base angles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
And if B is equal to C, then I can say that AB is equal to AC, because B is equal to C becomes the base angles of the isosceles triangle. Yes or no? and AB is equal to AC will become the sides of the isosceles triangle. Do you get me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shamila, you can say because they are forming an isosceles triangle, we can say AB is equal to AC. Have you written this down, everybody? Have you understood what I'm teaching you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I erase this?
Yes.
Yes.
I am done.
Ma'am, just 1 minute. Done.
I think we are done with the exercise. Now end of unit review is there, which we can do
Which
in the
we'll do
next class.
tomorrow.
Yes, we
I
can
mean,
do
the
it in the next class.
class.
Yeah. So today we
Ma'am,
have,
Can
yeah.
we please do science tomorrow?
Tomorrow is science.
Oh yeah.
5.4, I think.
Memory loss. Science debate.
Today we have completed
Debate.
exercise 5.4. In the next
Ma'am,
class,
should we do a debate on science? tomorrow?
we can.
Yeah.
But then we should have a limited area of debate. It should not be from one corner of the world to the other corner of the world. It should have a proper topic for debate, and we should have teams, okay, for pro
Yeah,
and against.
Yeah.
Okay, and
That's
you
what
should
we do
prepare.
in debate.
Yeah, you should prepare it from home. Your
We
points, your
prepare.
pro and against should be prepared from home.
What is the topic, but?
What topic I'm doing in science? Tell me. What were we
Chemicals
doing in
are
science?
harmful.
There should be no
Or-
Energy.
no.
I mean,
Energy.
sorry, energy, yes.
Ma'am, no.
Energy.
Maths should be banned or not?
Okay.
If
Okay.
it gets bad, no, I'll come to your house and kill you.
You're just a kid in front of me as well.
Just
Oh.
that, man.
Oh.
Just
Bilkul
that,
hosh.
man.
Chalo, take down your topic for debate, which we can do on today's what, Tuesday, right? Thursday.
Yes, we can
Yeah.
do it on Monday or
Thursday.
Thursday.
no. Thursday is maths.
Yes.
Uh,
Okay, ma'am. Thursday is maths.
Tomorrow. We
end
will
of
do
unit.
tomorrow. Chalo. Y'all can prepare yourself.
Okay.
We
So what's the
oh,
topic?
wait, but next week there is no school only, so
Yeah.
So
we have
we
to
have to do it
tomorrow.
in the WhatsApp.
Tomorrow we will do tomorrow.
Tomorrow, so I have to prepare points quickly.
What's the topic? Can you say it again?
Yeah, the topic is your favorite topic. Ayan जो बोल रहा था हम लोग वैसा ही debate करेंगे.
What? Maths? Ma'am, I
Yes.
was just joking.
Tomorrow is maths. Yeah.
Don't take it.
No. We will seriously do that because I like that topic.
But tomorrow is
But I'll be
science.
at the side of math shouldn't be banned. It's
Whatever.
good, really
Whatever.
It's
See,
good.
I'm going to make two teams. I'm going to make two teams.
good. Ma'am, there
Okay.
will be more
Ma'am,
students saying
You are
math
what
should be
you're
banned.
supposed to do.
Ma'am, I'm
Listen
not
to me
gonna
very
lie.
carefully.
Ma'am, I'm not gonna lie. I googled some ideas. Can I tell?
No, I want this topic. I don't want any other idea.
Ma'am, why? He just told it in joke. Nobody's
No.
gonna go against
It is not a joke. It's a real thing. We really don't know whether maths is important or not. And when we do this debate, we
We
will.
know.
is a
I
lot.
know me.
Mama, I have
It
some
is.
really good one.
Okay, tell me.
Artificial is dangerous. Social media improves or impede communication,
No,
and all our robots going to increase our quality of life.
No.
All cars should
No.
be electric.
Can I say one?
tell me.
Mobile phone should be just for 19 plus.
No,
That ain't related to science.
no.
Okay.
Either we can
Alkali
do,
should not be gay in the hands
Either-
of kids.
see, either we can do, is maths good or not? Okay, or is maths important or not? Or we can do on
Both the
energy.
same.
And when I say energy, then it can be
Energy.
renewable energy cannot replace fossil fuels. So y'all
Yes,
No,
ma'am. Energy one.
Maths.
Yes,
Energy
they
is better.
can't.
energy.
Maths.
Energy.
Maths.
Energy.
No, ma'am, maths.
Energy.
Maths one. Maths one.
Energy.
Maths.
Okay, let me
Majority-
just tell you. I'm not going against it. Who is going against it? The maths one.
I'm
No,
going
that
team I
again.
will make.
Means maths
Sorry,
shouldn't be
Mohammed.
banned.
That is me who will make. You are going to write both the points and keep. I will teach
No,
you
ma'am.
the day we do
No,
the
ma'am.
debate.
The debate doesn't happen like this. We don't do like
we
that.
we have to go against it or with it.
Yes, yes. I want you to be pro. That means I want you for or against. But then I will
Pros
tell
or
you
cons.
on the day of debate that today you are for or today you are against. Because everybody will want to go for it. Nobody will
Then
want to
why
go
are you
against
telling
it.
us?
No,
Why are
I'm
you
going
telling
against
us
it. It
things
shouldn't
that-
be banned.
Yes, it shouldn't be banned. Me too.
And that's what I'm saying. You will never go against it, no?
Then
Because
why?
it's very,
What is
listen,
the topic?
listen.
That's
Say
why I
something that
said
is hard
energy.
to go
That's why I
against.
said energy.
Yes,
Because I knew this was
energy.
gonna happen.
Ma'am, please, energy.
okay.
This is the
Then,
reason I went
then-
with science one.
then see, I'm writing the topic.
Ma'am, I told ma'am.
What you told?
Artificial intelligence is dangerous.
No.
Yes or no?
Renewable energy versus fossil fuels. You will have to find. Okay?
What, ma'am?
Renewable
Ma'am,
resources.
then now we can go against or not?
Now there
Uh,
can be few
fine.
people who can go for renewable resources and few who can go for fossil
Renewable
fuels.
resources.
Yes, I've written
Renewable.
it in the chat box.
The renewable guy.
Okay? And this we can do on Thursday. Even if Thursday is a maths day, I don't mind, we will do this.
Why, ma'am? Let us do the end of unit questions that day.
Okay, we will do end of unit questions and then do the debate. We will have a lot of time.
We don't have that much time. The end of unit question is so long.
Thursday we will do this debate. Okay? Renewable energy versus fossil fuels. And tomorrow I will make the team.
Ma'am, at least let us choose for this now.
So you do one thing, you'll choose and let me know by tomorrow. And if I don't have
Ma'am,
the
Okay.
number,
renewable. Me and Ayan are
if I do not have numbers
Everyone
proper,
post their choices in Mandela group, students.
yeah, do that today. And if I don't have
I
equal
sent
number,
the
no,
topic too.
then I will choose.
Ma'am, tell everyone to be present because at the day of debate, just 5 of us were there.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah. So we had to play Kahoot.
Okay.
With
Hello.
Sunaina, ma'am.
We'll end the
She
class
also
for
played
today.
with us. Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Thursday debate,
Ma'am.
yeah?
Nice.